Hi everyone, I welcome you back to Silent Light Healing. So let us check what are the messages for you guys. I get that you are wondering whether your person or your partner is missing you or not. If you are, um, in a long distance relationship or maybe no contact, you are wondering whether they are missing you or not, whether they are wanting to communicate with you or not. So now let us check what are the spirit guides wanting to tell you. Thank you so much, spirit guides. Please guide my viewers. What are you wanting to convey? Okay, we have four of pentacles. So yeah, we have four of pentacles. So they are, your person is holding themselves back. Okay, they are holding themselves back from coming towards you. Maybe there are some insecurities, there are some fears, they are afraid of commitment or something. They are just holding themselves back. There is so much of positive energy, positive vibrations around them. They are also feeling positive about you and as well as the connection, but something is holding them back. It could be anything that is bothering you or maybe bothering them or bothering both of you in the connection. Something is holding them back. It could be anything. It could be past trauma, negative thoughts, family members, third parties, or anything. Okay, so something is holding this, the black shawl which he is having around his body. That is a sign of negativity. So that is a sign of negativity. Okay, they are holding themselves back. Something is holding themselves back. Maybe they are not even sharing something with you. There is a lot of black here, I get. Maybe there is evil eye, if you believe in that, or something sort of that. Maybe there is some kind of negative energy which is bothering your connection. Fine. If you do not believe in evil eye, then it is okay, but there is some sort of uh, negative energy which is uh, around you or around this connection, or maybe it's affecting you or this connection as well. Fine. So something is keeping you burdened up. Okay, so something is burdening you a lot. Something is you are bothering yourself a lot nowadays, these days. Okay, unnecessarily you are bothering yourself. You are just staying in that particular mindset where it's not serving you. Okay, it's not serving you. It's just dragging you into your past, or maybe it's just disturbing your energy, and it is not even serving you. So please don't carry that baggage of the connection, or maybe it could be anything that you are carrying for a very long period of time. Please leave that and stay positive. Okay, and please do not fear, do not have any doubts, have least doubts when it comes to this connection or the person that you are dealing with. Just pray to the universe, surrender, and just, if you want, you can perform spells as well. You can use many, so you can also use various manifestation techniques. And I also get the energies between the two of you are not stable. Okay, they are not even equal. On the, you both are not on the equal stage or maybe the level. It is just the only thing or reason that is keeping you guys apart. Okay, so please try to work on your frequencies. Please do not let the negative thoughts and patterns or the burden of the connection drag you to the past or into the negative thoughts again and destroy and disturb your energies. Fine. So please heal yourself and do not work against or run away from the connection or the what you are feeling, what your heart is saying. Okay, please pay attention to that. Next we have is Knight of Pentacles. So your person is holding on to you again, I get. Okay, and they are much sure about you. They are working on their finances again. That is the only thing I'm getting since a few days. They are coming back to you if they have betrayed you in the past, or maybe they have ghosted you in the past. There were on and off energies or hot and cold behavior, which was only the thing which was offered by them. Then please do not worry, they are coming back. The progress might be slow. They are coming with a very slow speed, okay, at their own pace, but do not worry, they are coming back to you. The Wheel of Fortune, which was moving very slowly in the positive direction. So yeah, if Wheel of Fortune was moving against of you, if it was working against of you, if there was a devil who was not letting it move clockwise, if the things were moving anti-clockwise, then please do not worry, they are soon going to work out in your favor. Okay, and the things will go as you have expected them to. Fine. So let us check what are the other messages. Okay, I'm using another deck. Okay, after a long time I'm using another deck. We have the Emperor. Fine. Okay, next we have Six of Wands. Okay, two more to go. High Priestess, Emperor, and the High Priestess. Very nice. So we have the father figure of the connection, or maybe the house. Okay, he or she that you are dealing, it is not a gender based reading, but the person that you are dealing with, they might have leadership qualities, they might be, very much possessive when it comes to anything, the connection or the relationship. They are very much, your person is very well aware about the fact that now they are supposed to do something, about the connection, or maybe so as to come towards you. Okay, they are supposed to now play the game. Now it's their turn to make a move, right? So they are realizing that, and maybe an eagle is important. Maybe I also get a globe, maybe earth. They are ready to provide you with everything that is possible, okay, and make you happy. I have the high priestess. Your intuition is your power. It is your superpower. It's trying to say something to you. So your intuition is trying to say something to you. It's trying to convey something to you. Please pay attention. Please do not neglect your intuition or do not ignore the same. It's trying to provide you with all the answers. And also I get moon cycles are important for you. You can also manifest using different colored candles, different scented candles. You can use based on the moon cycles, you can manifest your desired outcome. It's going to work out finally. Fine. Next we have is Six of Swords. Again I'm getting the same thing. You are carrying the baggage of the relationship. Okay, you are the only person who is carrying the baggage of the connection. You are only worried about the same. Your person also might be worried, but they are not ready to show you that they care. They are not ready to show you that they are also worried, or maybe they are also working on the same um, level. Okay, so that is the only thing I'm getting. And please do not let the negative thoughts suppress your emotions or suppress you or your energies. Please do not let that happen, and please try to heal. Okay, leave the past baggage, leave the past trauma. It's never going to happen again. Okay, so please try to heal yourself and understand your worth, what you deserve. Fine. We have Six of Wands. You are soon going to succeed in whatever you are manifesting, or maybe whatever you are working hard for. If you are working on your career, on your business, on your job, if you are working very hard for the same, you are soon going to enjoy the fruits of your labor and fruits of your hard work. Fine, so that is what I'm getting. Also I get the word pedestal. So maybe a person is wanting to put you on a pedestal and treat you like a queen or a king. And you are also offering yourself, you are taking a stand for yourself. You are wanting to also explore maybe new opportunities. You are also now sure about what you deserve. Okay, now you are treating yourself as and very important asset of your own life. So that is the most important thing you should do. So congratulations, this was a beautiful. So yeah, these were your messages, this was your reading. And also I wanted to say that many of you are watching the videos, right? So if you are resonating with the same, please comment below, so I would get to know. I will be very happy. I will be super happy that even a few of you, or one or two of you, are resonating with, with the messages or whatever I'm telling. Yeah, so these were your messages, this was your reading. So I wanted to also share with you that many of you are watching my videos, my tarot readings regularly, and I do not get any idea whether it's resonating with your situation or not. Many of you are not even reacting to the videos. Many of you are not even commenting below. So please comment below, even if one or two people are resonating with the messages, or maybe if they are feeling that the messages are quite resonating with their situation, or whatever the case may be. I'll be super happy to know that. Fine. So please comment below whatever you feel. Okay, if whether it's positive or negative, whether it is resonating or not. Please also give a like to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, and we'll soon meet with another tarot reading. Take care.